Today, I'm sure as you know from the opening skit, we are going to show you how to create multiple makeup looks using this one BB cream. Pay close attention because these hacks are going to come in very handy. Hey guys, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. This is Casper with another episode of BeautyHACKers. But before we get started, I hope that everyone's watched our previous video on how to keep your beauty tools clean. If you haven't watched that video, please go this way, click on this to go see it. Today, I'm sure as you know from the opening skit, we are going to show you how to create multiple makeup looks using this one BB cream. Pay close attention because these hacks are going to come in very handy. Hack 1. DIY Stick Concealer. Materials: BB cream, paper cup, Vaseline, container, and hair dryer. Choose any type of container you want. It could be a lip balm or an empty lipstick or an empty container of any sort. How to: pour BB cream and Vaseline into your paper cup in a 2:1 ratio. 2. Use the hair dryer to melt the product and mix well. Make sure to melt until it's liquidy to avoid clumping. 3. Fold the cup and pour product into your container. Melt it once again if the mixture isn't uniform in texture. 4. Let harden in a cool place. And voila, you're done. Extra tips: instant concealer without a container. If you add a bit of powder to your regular foundation or BB cream, the mixture will become more dense, allowing you to apply it a bit thicker. Add little by little while checking the texture and use your foundation as a concealer. Hack 2. DIY Hydrating Blush. Materials: empty cushion pack, lipstick or lip tint, BB cream, a plate, cotton swab, and moisturizer. How to: 1. Squeeze plenty of foundation into an empty cushion pack. If you're using a matte foundation, add a bit of moisturizer to make the mixture hydrating. While the KLAIRS BB is hydrating enough, you should add moisturizer to make it more hydrating if you want. Step 2. Mix your choice of lipstick or tint. Add little by little and check the color along the way. 3. Carefully store the finished mixture in the empty cushion pack. 4. Use a cotton swab to ensure all product absorbs well into the cushion. And voila! Now you have a hydrating blush you can carry with you everywhere. Hack 3. DIY Personalized Cushion. Materials: moisturizer, matte foundation, and empty cushion pack. Ever wanted to carry around your favorite foundation outside? Ever wanted to make your matte foundation more moisturizing? Well, stay tuned to this hack. How to: pour matte foundation that you couldn't regularly use into an empty container. 2. Mix with moisturizer to make more hydrating. 3. Use a cotton swab to help all product absorb well into the cushion. And voila! Extra tips: emergency hack for an empty cushion. Pour your toner into a spray bottle and spray the toner onto your cushion. More product should come out. However, this is just an emergency hack and we recommend reusing the finished cushion, referring back to hack 3, or buying a new cushion refill. That's it for today's video. We gave you 3 hacks on how to get 200% use out of your BB cream. If you have any hacks of your own, please leave them down in the comments below and share it with the Wishtrenders. And also remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified. Our next video is a new video of 4 reviewers. Hope you're excited to see 4 people from different ethnicities doing a blind test testing out a sunscreen without white cast. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and remember, you're beautiful just as you are.